Arkansas, the natural state. What an absolutely incredible place to go explore. You've had a busy day out chasing waterfalls and water crossings. You'll look quite an appetite. But sometimes you just want something easy. And that brings us to today's video, the world's greatest fried bologna sandwich. So I started the day by a nice little lake. Everything was going great. Started getting my food set up and ready to go. Then I noticed the wind started blowing a little bit harder. And got to looking at the clouds. Everything was starting to get a little darker. And so I decided it was time to take this show on the road. All right, well, this doesn't really look like much, but we've had some pretty big lightning hit pretty close to us right here. So I am going to wrap this up at this part. And I'm going to go home and set back up, and I'm going to grill my greatest fried bologna sandwich you've ever seen at home. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm a refugee from the storm because it was blowing up, wind was blowing everywhere, dust, dirt, and all that crap. So packed everything up, came home, but I still wanted to do the sandwich for you. So you're still going to get the greatest fried bologna sandwich that you ever had. So stay tuned for that. So now I want to reach into the Set Powers fridge and get my food out. I got to tell you, this Set Powers fridge, it is amazing, especially working in conjunction with the All Powers power station. Those two working together, that is an amazing setup right there. So let's check it out. LED light comes on when you look inside. Got plenty of room for anything that you need to bring with you. I didn't have a whole lot in it today because it's just a simple little recipe. But you can see there's plenty of room inside of this. It's a great fridge. I saw earlier where I was chopping my peppers up, so let's get the peppers on the grill. Start getting them good to go. I don't have a whole lot of peppers out here today because I'm just making sandwiches for me. A couple of things right here. You want to get just a little bit of oil. Get those things going pretty good. And here shortly, once we get them going, I'm going to put some salt and pepper on it. Why salt and pepper, Corey? Just trust me, you want salt and pepper on it. Now, if you don't like jalapeños, if you'd rather have some banana peppers or something like that, fry those up. You do you on that. I like jalapeños. I like banana peppers too. But for this particular recipe, I like me some jalapeños. All right, now we got these going pretty good. I'll flip them over. Now this is where your salt and pepper comes in. Just a light coat. Doesn't have to be too much. Trust me on this. And now your bread. I like to use the little 45 calorie wheat bread, and I'll butter it up and I'll put some garlic on it. So let's watch that. All right, now here's where you have to be careful. You don't want to garlic both sides. You want to garlic the inside piece. So put a little garlic down on your grill, flip it over. Now you're good right there. And just keep doing that. Just lightly put it on there, and you're good. You don't want to overwhelm the taste of garlic. There you go, let that toast a little bit, then it'll be perfect. Now you toast your bread as dark or as light as you want to. For me, that's about all I need right there. That is perfect. So let's go back to the Set Power fridge. Let's get our bologna. All right, so I get thick cut bologna. Throw it on here. Give it a few seeds from the jalapeños on it. Put it on there. Remember to cut your air slots. And kind of cut 3 little slots on it to make sure it doesn't bubble up on you. There we go. Keep it from bubbling up. Looking good. Now, something I discovered the other day in Hockatown. If you haven't seen that video yet, you should watch it. It's little Mitchell's all-purpose seasoning. It's made from a guy who lives close to Hockatown. Really good. If you have any in your store next to you, try it out. Take your seasoning, light coat, just like that. Get your bologna fried just a little bit. Get that char on both sides. We'll flip it here in a second. Now, unlike the garlic, where I don't want you to char it, unlike the garlic where I don't want you to over season it, you can use the seasoning on the bologna on both sides. Get you another coating on there. You're good. All right, now we got those charred pretty good. I'm gonna get on here and put the pepper jack cheese. Pepper jack cheese sets it all off. If you don't use pepper jack, you're doing yourself a disservice. Take the other slice. Slide it on there. Slide it on there. Give it a flip. Give it a flip. Right there. Now for your bread, you can use whatever you want. I like using mustard. Get a little mustard on there. There it is. All right, so now we have got to get our good stuff on here. Uh-oh, that piece fell off. There we go. Already had our jalapeños on there. Put the good stuff down on top of it. Man, we're almost ready. And folks, there it is. The world's best, #1, without a doubt, fried bologna sandwich that you will ever eat. It's time to go eat. Anyway, let's try this out. Oh man. I hope you can taste that through the screen. Holy cow. I'm telling you, it's the best fried bologna sandwich anybody's ever made. Jalapeños, good. Pepper jack cheese, good. Beef bologna, good. Garlic toast, good. It all works together. Put a little mustard on it. Man, you got the greatest sandwich that you can have out on the trail, and it's quick and easy to make. So, you know, when I'm out running around, get a little bit hungry, want something better than just a little package sandwich. Want a good sandwich. Stop, fire up the grill. All together, this takes about probably 10 to 15 minutes, and that's put up, tear down, cook it, all that stuff. So, you know, 15 minutes, got a good hot meal. It's great. It's great.